Hi guys, this is Zeta. As you probably don't know me, but I'm just like so mad because my Xbox controller don't work. It's been working for like a year and then it stopped working. So this video goes out to Marcal Dunlap. She's my friend in this class. She goes to my school. And this other girl named Jada, it's her cousin. So she's my friend too. So hopefully you watch this and subscribe. So today we're going to be playing with fluffy slime. So yeah, let me bring it out. Probably got a mess. Mama, can you open that? I'm not going to show you. It's really dark.
Now, I just clean the table for food, not slime.
Okay, fine. Fluffy. Okay, so I'm gonna make a bubble and crunch it. There's an ambulance, Mama. It's going into the nursing home. There's the slime. So I'm about to make a bubble. You hear those little bells? Okay. My other slimes are over there, but so yeah. And I want to tell you some of my favorite channels. So I do like Marcal Dunlap. I like 5 Minute Crafts. I like Slime School. I like all of them almost. So yeah. And hopefully you will subscribe. Maybe, maybe not. I look a hot mess. Yeah. Probably think, no, you look cute. No, I don't. So, yeah. Bye.